Set baseline to the control points.
Hold the prism steady, reading now.
Clay layer starts at 2 meters. Bag it and seal, keep moisture. Keep clear of the marked dune grass.
Whole compaction passes to 8.
Detour open, keep pedestrians moving.
Lower slow, hands off the load. Chainage 0 plus 120 marked, confirm offset.
Line confirmed. Keep excavation outside red flags.
Watch the tide, hold the cut line.
We're 20 millimeters low.
Fine trim.
Ladder tied off, entry approved.
Stand clear.
Plumb is good, drive to mark. Prime line 2, keep suction tight.
Keep discharge inside the sediment basin.
Flow reduced.
Reading clear, continue operation. Bag line tight, swing slow to the mark. Blow count steady, continue to refusal. Cap rebar needs 50 millimeters cover.
Brace the corner, don't let it rack.
Lap is correct, tie every intersection here.
Curve radius matches. Lock the clamps.
Up your guys at the form.
Cure starts now. No foot traffic.
Pre-pour ready.
Alignment within tolerance. Release for pour.
Moisture is in range. Compact this lift.
Density achieved. Advance the lift.
Hold the 1-3 slope here. Wrap tight, no fines migration. Alignment looks good from here, over.
Invert matches. Lock the sleeve.
Keep lift heights consistent.
Lip profile is clean, final pass.
Parapet done.
Maintain moisture, no dry spots. Surface looks good, minor patch only.
Compact and thin lift near the wall.
We have a 2-hour low tide window.
Overlap 1 meter, pin every edge. Seat it tight, no rocking.
Gradation matches, continue the slope.
Crest elevation approved. Move forward.
Crossfall set, compact this lane.
Results are good. Release for surface.
Keep joints tight. Watch the temp.
Spacing correct. Grout to finish.
Rise and run are within spec.
Clean nosing. Final finish.
Stairs approved. Open after cure.
Gate closes tight. No backflow. Thickness confirmed. Move on.
Take him to the stupor support, Zach. Grade ties in. Install matting.
Full coverage. No bare spots. Clear this section by end of shift.
Safety items compliant, no issues.
Only minor touch-ups remain.
Patch complete. Move to repaint.
Demob complete. Ready for final handover.
Elevations match the as-built set. All cracks within tolerance.
Markings align with plan.
Reflectivity meets coastal spec.
Runoff contained, no erosion. This section meets the design freeboard.
Inspect drains after major storms.
Wave return is effective.
No displacement detected.
Acceptance signed and logged.
Site fully cleared.
Public access restored. Project complete.
Seaward protection verified.
Continuous coastal defense achieved.
Details. Details finished to spec. Resilience built for the future. Coastal defenses complete. Lighting meets safety levels.
Access route confirmed.
Operations officially handed over.
Records archived successfully. Defense line stands ready. Ready for decades ahead. Urban coast secured. One continuous defense system.
End of construction.
Building resilient coastal defenses.
Clear the clean out, confirm flow.
Bolt torque confirmed, no looseness. Seal bead continuous, touch up complete.
Set it tighter, match the interlock. Open time, 3 seconds. Close time is within spec. Erosion control intact, good coverage.
Protection line is now operational.
Wave return geometry shown clearly.
Complete system overview.
Photo documented, handover complete.
Checklist posted, contacts verified.
Benchmark set. Monitor quarterly.
Precinct 2 full ties.
All temporary items removed.
Stairs clear, no hazards.
Reflectors aligned, final check signed. Good work, leave it ready. Route post, keep it unobstructed.
Confirmed. Panorama captured. Archive this view.
Coastline protected. System at rest.
Waterline normal. Barriers set.
Inventory complete, lock it down.
All items closed. Nothing outstanding. Leave it spotless. Last pass.
Certificate filed. Project closed. Resilient shoreline secured.
Coastal defense line complete.
Energy dissipated at the revetment.
Protection extends the full alignment. Building resilient coastal defenses. subscribe, like, and share.